How to fix Fortnite error D3D11. Hello guys, this is Atticus and welcome back to another tutorial video. In today's video, I'll teach you guys how you can fix Fortnite error D3D11 compatible GPU error. So without any further ado, let's dive right into it. First step, simply search for system properties. So search for system properties and there you should find an option. Let me just no, fix that. And here you will see View Advanced System Settings. Tap on this one right here. After you tap on it, you should be on your system properties and you should be on the advanced section. What you'll need to do is head over to your option that says settings. And on your settings, you will see advanced version. What you'll need to do is tap on this virtual memory change, tap on change. And here you will see automatically manage paging file sizes for all drives. Unselect that and select custom size right here. You can select your drive, whichever drive you're using as well. Then on the custom size, here you will see initial size. What you'll need to do is simply type in this one right here, that is 1024. And what you'll then need to do is for the maximum size, you'll need to multiply this number by the amount of RAM that you have. So let's say that you have, for example, you have 2 GBs of RAM. What you'll need to do is simply multiply that by 2, that is 48. And yeah, if it's by 16, multiply this number by 16 and type that in here. Then tap on set and then tap on OK. After you do that, you will have to simply restart your device. So restart your device and then your problem should be fixed. And that's all for today's video. Thanks for watching. Stay tuned for more upcoming videos and goodbye. Take care.